Hello guys, I am going to show you how to program the user sign-in process. First, I am going to show you the process, then I explain the codes. So I am in the sign-in page. Now I am going to press the sign-in button. You can see an alert come here that say all fields are required. Now I am typing the email address and a wrong password. Now I am typing the correct password. And pressing the sign in button, so it works. Now sign to the home page. Okay, now let's see the code. First we collect the email and password from the input fields. We also get the remember me checkbox value. Before sending data to the server, we validate it. If fields are empty, we show an error. If the email format is incorrect, we also show an error. This reduces unnecessary server requests. After validation, we create a form data object. This object stores data that will be sent to the server. The remember me value is converted to true or false. Here we create an XML HTTP request. We send a post request to loginprocess.php. The page does not reload. This is asynchronous communication using AJAX. If the server returns success, the user is redirected to home PHP. Otherwise, the error message from the server is displayed. We start a session into store user login information. Now let's see the login process PHP. We start a session to store usage login information. Then we connect to the database. We retrieve email and password sent from JavaScript. Even though we validated on frontend, we must validate again on the server. Server-side validation is mandatory for security. Server-side validation is mandatory for security. We search the database using a prepared statements. We search the database using a prepared statement. Prepared statements prevent SQL injection attacks. We only select one user using email. Passwords are stored as hashed values. We use password verify to compare the entered password with the stored hash. This is secure authentication practice. After successful login, we create session variables to store user information. These sessions allow the system to recognize the user on other pages. If remember me is checked, we generate a secure random token. We hash it before storing in the database, and raw token is stored in a cookie. The cookie expires in 13 days. This allows the user to stay logged in. The actual token stored in database is hashed for security. If everything is correct, the server returns success. The frontend then redirects the user. The sign-in system includes front-end validation, server-side validation, prepared statements, password hashing, secure session handling, token-based remember me system, protection against SQL injection, no plain text password storage. The system ensures both usability and security. Thank you.